I need you to wear both the cape and the mask now. You're definitely a mask crusader to help protect each other.
Start wearing homemade masks in certain public places. That's a new recommendation from Ohio's top health official. This to help slow the spread of the coronavirus. Health officials now confirming 3,739 coronavirus cases in Ohio, with 102 deaths, and 1,006 people are hospitalized. The Marion and Pickaway correctional institutions are also under full quarantine. This as one inmate at each location has tested positive for coronavirus. We're told both inmates are in isolation. Thanks for joining us for NBC4 at 11 tonight. I'm Mark Taylor. Governor Mike DeWine and State Health Director Dr. Amy Acton have new recommendations to fight COVID-19, encouraging people to wear cloth masks out in public when it may be hard to properly use social distancing. NBC4's Eric HALPERIN is live in Columbus tonight. And Eric, this is not meant to replace social distancing, right?
Not at all, Mark. Dr. Acton and Governor DeWine want people to wear these masks in addition to what they are already doing. The CDC put out similar recommendations yesterday, and one of the places they're suggesting you wear the masks at the grocery store. In her front window at the sewing machine is Amy GOSSARD's new spot. Anytime she's not taking care of the kids, exercising, or getting other things done, she's there.
All my free time is spent making masks now, which is my pleasure.
She first started making them because she has 6 family members who work in the medical field. Through an effort on Facebook, she's been making them for other medical facilities too.
When I realized that I could make masks, I was very excited that I could do something productive while I'm home all the time.
She's also been making some for others who are just looking to have a mask.
The more people wearing them, the safer we will all be.
And soon, the demand could be going up. Dr. Amy Acton and Governor Mike DeWine are now recommending Ohioans wear cloth masks when out and about in areas it might be hard to stay 6 feet away from someone.
What we don't want is people to think that this is a substitute for social distancing. It is not.
The governor and Dr. Acton want to make sure people still know the N95 masks and other medical masks should be saved for medical workers. When it comes to making cloth masks, Dr. Acton says the thicker the fabric, the better. She says a big reason for the recommendation to wear them is because some people not showing symptoms can still spread COVID-19.
When we're out and about going to the store, wearing this can make a difference in us spreading those respiratory droplets.
As for GOSSARD, she's already made almost 200 and plans to keep going.
It puts me in a position where I feel like I can help people without leaving my house.
And the governor says this is not a requirement. He does plan to be wearing one when he's out in public. His is made by Ohio First Lady Fran DeWine, but not everyone knows how to sew, and that is okay. These masks can be made without sewing, and there's a video showing you how to do that on our website, NBC4i.com. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric HALPERIN, NBC4.
All right, Eric, thank you.